Hi, this is Kuntz from Augmentir. I'm the Vice President of Strategic Operations. Yeah, Xcelerate has been a fantastic event. It's a great venue to collaborate, to hear from manufacturers on their stories, on how the skills gap and the experience gap on the shop floor is impacting their businesses and the different technologies and tools and partnership ecosystem within the Fluke reliability environment is helping them solve their business problems and move their business forward from a digital transformation standpoint. It's fantastic. Austin is a great place. Great venue here. Fluke's put on a fantastic event. A lot of collaborative discussions, a lot of thought leadership happening, a lot of open discussion, so it's really a fantastic event. I think there's two valuable aspects to this conference. One is understanding Fluke's product roadmap, where they're going, the direction, both as a business, their strategy, and understanding where their technology is helping manufacturing today and moving forward. And then hearing from customers how they're using that technology and hearing them collaborate with each other on solving some of the big problems that they have today in manufacturing.